Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. 7 dead, 10 injured in bus collision in UP Sambhal. At least 7 people were killed and 10 others injured in the collision between two buses on the Agra Chandausi High Road, Chandausi Highway under the Vajoi police station area of Uttar Pradesh. The accident occurred near Laharavan village late on Sunday night. The victims were a part of a wedding party going from Chandoni to Chapra. Their bus punctured its tire near Laharavan village and was parked on the roadside for repair. Some passengers deboarded and were waiting for the bus to be repaired. Suddenly, a speeding bus crashed into the parked bus, killing 7 people and injured 8 others. The police were informed about the incident and then shifted the injured to a community hospital in Vajoi. The police said the second bus that hit the parked bus was found toppled near the site. The driver and co-driver fled from the scene, the police said. First ODI, Ishan Kishan shines on debut. Shikhar Dhawan starts as Indian beats Sri Lanka in Colombo. India might have brought an inexperienced team to Sri Lanka, but that hardly made a difference in the series opener as they registered thumping 7-wicket win over the hosts in the first ODI in Colombo on Sunday. Shikhar Dhawan, who became the 25th leader of the India in the 50-over format, made a smashing captaincy debut and led from the front by top scoring in their successful chase, apart from claiming a couple of important milestones along the way. India made light work of the 263-run chase, going past the finish line in the just 36.4 overs with Dhawan unbeaten on 86. He went past 6,000 ODI runs during the innings and almost completed 1,000 runs against Sri Lanka in the format. Top late commander among two terrorists killed in Jammu and Kashmir Shopian encounter. A top commander of the proscribed terror outfit Lashkar-e-Taiba was killed in an encounter with security forces in Jammu and Kashmir's Shopian area early on Monday morning. Another terrorist was also eliminated by the forces during the gunfight. According to Inspector General of Police IGP Kashmir Vijay Kumar, the late commander has been identified as Ishfaq Dar alias Abu Akram. He was active in the valley since 2017. Top commander of proscribed terror outfit late Ishfaq Dar alias Abu Akram, who was active since 2017, neutralized, the IGP said. The forces recovered incriminating materials including arms and ammunition from the encounter site. A search operation is currently underway. Incriminating material including arms and ammunition recovered on search going on. Further details shall follow, police said in a tweet. On Sunday, an encounter broke out between a joint team of the security forces and militants in the Shopian district. 2 to 3 terrorists were reported to be tracked by the forces in the Czech Siddiq area, sources said. A joint team of police, Army 34RR and CRPF had launched a cordon and search operation in the Czech Sadiq Khan area of the South Kashmir district following information about the presence of militants. There, a police official said. The search operation turned into an encounter after the militants opened the fire on the security forces' positions. The security forces retaliated, triggering a gun battle that was going on when the last reports came in, the official said. Nick Jonas wishes wife Priyanka Chopra on 39th birthday within and now peak. Wishes have been pouring in for Bollywood star Priyanka Chopra as the actress turned 39 yesterday, July 18. But of course, amongst all the lovely birthday wishes that poured in, husband Nick Jonas' adorable post has all our attention. The American singer shared a then and now picture of the diva, and it is super cute. Priyanka Chopra ranked in her 39th birthday in a gorgeous black swimsuit as a child in London. While this year she could not be with her husband on her big day, he made sure he sent his lovely birthday wishes via social media. The American singer shared two snaps of his wife, one from the recent days, another from childhood. In both pictures, Priyanka is seen dressed in a peach sari. He wrote in the caption, "Happy birthday, my love. You deserve all the happiness in the world, today and every day. I love you." After enjoying a swim in the pool wearing a gorgeous black swimsuit, Priyanka indulged in some wine, which was most probably sent by Nick Jonas on her 39th birthday. She had taken to social media to share a sneak peek of her birthday celebration that included clicking selfies, chilling in the pool, and drinking some wine.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.